Hey everybody, it's Ashley from the Art Factory, and today I'm doing a mermaid design on my friend Lucy. So first I'm grabbing an Art Factory large Kabuki brush. This is perfect for doing blending and colors on the face. And as you can see here, I'm just using some Superstar golden green and I'm smoothing it around. When you use this brush, you want to make sure that you don't use too much water because water will make it really sloppy. So what you want to do is you want to lightly spritz the cake or the brush with your water and then generously load up your brush and swirl it around on the skin to get a smooth, soft, blended look. And as you can see, one load will pretty much paint an entire face. I chose just to do a little part of it, but you could pretty much do an entire face with one load of the brush. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up that same brush with a little bit of the Fusion Peacock Magic color, and I'm going to go back on the edges and I'm just going to add that onto the edges of the design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of lay in the color and then I'm going to go back and gently pull with the brush from the color into the other one, fading them into each other. And as you can see with this brush, you're able to blend and smooth things super, super well. All right, so now I'm going to grab the Boomerang stencil. This is the Art Factory Mermaid stencil, and I'm going to grab the small Kabuki brush that we made, and I'm going to load it up with Superstar white. And I'm just going back and forth over the stencil and doing little swirly motions to cover up the stencil pattern on the face. So as you can see, I'm only going to load it the one time and then it will do the whole face with the stencil. So these brushes hold a lot of paint in them, so you do not need to add a bunch of reloading over and over again. It's really convenient. Obviously, like I said before, you don't want to add a ton of water on these because moisture will make it sloppy. So what you want to do is you want to use your spray bottle and lightly spritz either the cake or the brush with water and load up your brush. And then you can always add more if you need it, but you don't want to add too much because it will cause your paint to bleed underneath the stencil. Next, I've got the Boomerang clamshell stencil. This is perfect for doing mermaid designs along with the mermaid scale stencil. And it comes with 3 different sizes. So I chose the medium size because I felt that fit Lucy's head really well. And now I'm just using a number 4 round brush with some Tag Fuchsia. And I'm just going to use that to draw in all of my little details. So I'm drawing some little dots around the edge of the forehead crown area, some little teardrops on the bottom of the shell, and then some teardrops and swirls along the sides. This is a really fast and simple design. Once you've done it a few times, you got the steps memorized, you'll be able to do this design really super fast, and it is a hit. I do a ton of these at my events. It is really, really popular. And don't forget that you can always change it up to better suit your needs. If you wanted to make it smaller, you don't have to do anything on the cheeks or the lower half of the face. You can do just the top and call it done. These designs are really versatile, so don't feel like you have to do them exactly like I do them because this is just the way I do it and your way could be your own unique spin on it. And here I'm using Art Factory Crystal Glitter in the color Ice Princess, and I'm just going to sprinkle some on there. These little puff bottles are the best. This is a 1/2 ounce puff bottle. All you do is give it a gentle squeeze and it just gently puffs the glitter onto the paint. And then we're all done. I'm going to show Lucy in the mirror. She said, wow, it's so pretty. She loved it. It was a surprise for her. She didn't know what she was getting painted as. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. You can visit us online at www.artfactoryus.com, where we sell all of these supplies and more. We'll see you guys next time.